Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Donald. On the application of Candy Crush Saga, you will click on settings. In the first page of settings. In this page here, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Candy Crush Saga and you will click. In this page here of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.